Hey YouTubers, welcome back to DonnyBoy73, the Small Engine Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the pull cord in your generator. So here's the generator. As you can see, the pull cord is broken. That often happens when people have a hard time starting their machine and they keep pulling on it. This is a Chinese-made generator and the engine is a clone of a Honda. So to start with, you will need to remove the 3 bolts that are holding the cover on, and they're 8 millimeters in size. And the last one is way under here. So now what I'm going to do is remove the old rope, just pull it out. And to remove the old rope from the handle, you're going to need a nice sharp flat screwdriver. Reach into here and pop this off. Now what I did is I matched up the old rope to a new rope, and I'm using a number 5 rope, and I've got approximately 58 inches of this rope. What I often do is I melt the ends of the rope and I make it nice and smooth like this. Watch, it don't burn your fingers. Then it prevents the rope from fraying. Now grab your rope and make a knot at the end. Just a simple knot like this. Pull on it to make sure that it's really tight, that it won't come apart. You can even put the end of the rope in the vise and then pull to make sure the knot is really tight. Now what you need to do is grab the end of the rope without the knot. Grab the recoil assembly. Now you'll need to line it up with the hole over here. And now insert the rope through it. Now pull on the rope until the knot gets right up to the spool. Now insert the rope through the hole. It's going to come out of the recoil. Now what you'll need is the handle. Just simply insert the rope at the bottom of it, right up to the top. Now grab the other part of the handle and insert the rope through it. And now you'll need to make another knot like you did earlier. And now just insert the knot in the hole here on this cover. And push the rope right in there. Now you want to put the 2 parts together, so just pull on the rope, bring it down, and now it's just going to snap right in there like this. Now at this point what we need to do is tighten up the spring on the spool so that the rope will go back in. Now grab the recoil in your hands, and what you want to do is turn it 4 turns counterclockwise, and make sure you turn the spool when you do this, and count your turns over here where the rope exits the recoil. So 1 turn, 2 turns, 3, 4. And now pull the rope. Make sure it's in the spool, and now you can let it go back in. And now when you pull on the rope, it's going to go back in the recoil nice and easy. And before you reinstall your recoil, it's a good idea to spray it with some liquid wrench just to lube all the moving parts in there. And now I'm going to show you how to reinstall it on your generator. So now you want to line up the recoil exactly where it was before, and make sure all the holes are lined up for the bolts. And once it's installed, you want to grab it, make sure that it turns the engine over properly. And that's it, you're done. It's that easy.